What is an API? API is a transporter of data. It transports data from backend to frontend. Frontend means web and apps which get data from server. How they will get data? There will be some certain unique URLs which are called API endpoints. Those URL will be called from frontend with some methods called get, post, put, patch, delete. All these methods are used to get those data and by calling the URL. So when calling the URL, we can pass some data for which we can get the data according to the passes data. Suppose I am a Flipkart seller and I am getting my products only on my dashboard, and some other seller is getting his products only. So how it's working? It's calling the same API but with different ownership as a user ID, and it is passing with the API as data, sending some data to server with the server URL, and inside the server URL some logics are written which will return the data from the database as a API response. This communication from server to client is done through API, which are nothing but a unique URL that will receive some request for the data and return the data accordingly, and mostly return in JSON format, which is industry standard.